space is essential not only to our way of life, it's absolutely critical to the modern way of war. GPS, ATMs, cell phones, gas pumps, traffic lights, power grids, guided missiles, surveillance, RPAs, ground combat control. There's no such thing as a day without space operations.
I've seen firsthand how overwhelming the feedback process is at officer training course. Instructors are handed piles of surveys and comments, and it takes weeks to sort through them. By the time insights surface, the moment to act has already passed. That's what inspired us. We wanted to build a tool that cuts through the noise, captures the real issues, and gives leadership solutions they can act on right away. For me, this project isn't about technology. It's about making sure every future Guardian has the best possible training experience.
So right now at OTC, student feedback is valuable to our instructors, but it's trapped in a slow and manual process. Our AI platform changes that. It takes every survey, every comment, and analyzes them in seconds, categorizing themes, identifying root causes, and producing clear, actionable recommendations. Instead of weeks of guesswork, leadership has answers immediately. We're turning feedback into a readiness multiplier, ensuring instructors can adapt faster, the curriculum stays relevant, and Guardians leave OTC more prepared for the fight ahead.
And now, the moment you've all been waiting for, a demo of Redshift Kepler.
And now we'll go over our dashboard. Our machine learning algorithms detect the sentiment and response perspective of every member's short answer responses. Sentiment being if it is a negative or positive sentence, or perspective being if it is objective or subjective, whether it was rooted in fact or more of feel. From here, we also have our bucketed themes. Our pathway themes are the ones that we provided into the LLM to then have the answers paired with, and our discovered themes are the ones that are discovered through our LDA model. If we select our instructors, we can actually have a good breakdown of all of our instructor short answer feedback. Here we can choose an actual instructor in the course and see how well they were doing. This person is doing very well, as most of their data is in the 2 range, which is strongly agree. And you can show all of the stuff that broke that down. If we choose another instructor, we can see how well their data pairs as well. And as you'll notice down here, they have more than one lesson. So we can actually also go here and just break down the information to a singular lesson. And here's our information for that. We can use this to find trends on instructors and classes and how we can best correct those deficiencies if there are any. Now we'll go back to our house. From here, we can actually select into our pathway themes. So if I view this theme, it will pull up more information about it. So here's our main statistics on just this theme specifically. Now if we go to our root causes, we can also see the root causes that our LLM created. From here, what we can do is we can actually select into these. And from there, we also have a solution in our action steps that will then be utilized to then correct this deficiency that we are seeing. We can even go another step further and interact with our agent Echo, our AI agent. From here, we can actually ingest our course curriculum. For instance, with this example, I gave the space history lesson, and I gave it a prompt of give me a summary, and it spits this out. We can even use this to then generate questions or also other solutions for root causes as well. Our last thing we'll show is our linked comments. So these are all of the comments that are bucketed into student engagement and participation theme. And you can go through here and see all of the answers and questions that were provided within this, that are making up this theme. Thank you.
This project isn't about fixing today's bottlenecks. It's about building a continuous learning ecosystem for the Space Force. Imagine every class at OTC making the next one better. Feedback feeding into curriculum, curriculum shaping operational performance, and performance data cycling back to training. That's the system we're creating. With AI, we can deliver a living, evolving officer training course that forges elite Guardians, faster, smarter, and ready for the challenges of great power competition.